Well, good morning. These are keys to a 2018 Buick Encore Summit White with a black interior, leather. It also does have the graphite accent package on the bottom of the vehicle. Again, this is a 2018, 95,500 miles on it. Very, very clean, one owner, personal use vehicle. It's powered by the 1.4 liter inline four engine, so great fuel economy, 30 miles to the gallon on the highway, about 24 in the city. Lots of storage space, sit up nice and high. All the comfort features inside, heated seats, dual climate control, 8-inch LCD screen, Bluetooth, all the amenities you would want in an all-wheel drive, good fuel economy car. To find out more about this, give me a call. My name is David at Johnson Ford, 715-246-3673. And if you want to learn more about this vehicle online, the stock number is 917-692, and you can visit us at johnsonfordofnewrichmond.net. Look forward to hearing from you.